My SSC pre-board exam is literally parso and we still have a lot to revise. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader, and this video is going to be a super productive study vlog. And when I say it's going to be super productive, it's going to be like insanely productive, because I literally don't have any choice. I cannot take like long breaks at all. I cannot take my evening naps properly because I need to study SSC. And I feel like this is the सबसे stressful exam मेरे लिए, क्योंकि इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा syllabus है. So yeah, अभी let me give you an update of how much I have done. Basically Friday को स्कूल से आने के बाद I did the entire geography. उसमें I left a few topics which I'll be doing today. And yesterday Saturday था, मैंने पूरा eco complete किया है. Eco में कोई भी topic नहीं छोड़ा. So we're done with eco. And I also did history के 2 chapters, and जो बाकी के 2, like I did the last 2 chapters, like I did print culture and I did global world वाला chapter, nationalism in Europe and nationalism in India. I did like on Thursday, so that is why I did not like do it again, but we'll revise them again today एक बार. But I need to revise pol science पूरा today, so we need to do that also. So yeah, I mean we still have a lot to do, and geography के जो topics हमने परसों छोड़े थे, we need to revise those as well, and I need to practice sample papers also. But today let's just focus on like completing the syllabus का revision एक बार at least, ताकि हमारा एक बार का revision हो जाए. After that we'll practice the sample paper, and उसके बाद like after doing the sample paper I think I'll understand what more I need to revise, and based on that we'll revise again. So yeah, now let us start. Also it's Sunday and my exam is on Tuesday, and this is what I'm wearing. This is also my first board exam, so I really hope it goes good, because that will like motivate me आगे के board exams के लिए. And my bed is really messy right now, so let's clean that up first of all. Now at least my bed looks clean, so yeah. Now I'm writing down my to-do list, and considering मेरा पेपर कल है, I have like अनगिनत चीजें to revise. तो मैं लिखते लिखते यही सोच रही थी कि how will I do all of that? So there is this new thing that I've started doing while I write down my to-do list. I set these time limits for myself, and this really like works so much better than just normally writing your to-do list. अब सी मैंने इसमें जो भी टास्क लिखे हैं मुझे वो सारे तो कंप्लीट करने ही है. सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन सेटिंग प्रायोरिटी टास्क्स, बिकॉज देयर इज नो चॉइस. लाइक आई नीड टू गेट ऑल ऑफ दैट डन टुडे, सो दैट एटलीस्ट मेरा पूरा एक बार रिविजन हो जाए आज. But like you are more likely to achieve your goal when you set a time to it. So that is what I've done here. I think we work better when there is a deadline on the line. But yeah, you should also try this out and let me know how it works for you. But like yeah, doing this is actually like very very helpful. First of all, you can estimate कि तुम्हारा कितने बजे तक सारा काम हो जाएगा, and based on that you can plan your breaks, you can plan your rewards, etc etc. So yeah, this is quite helpful. For example, one particular task takes a long time, then you can adjust your entire schedule like उसके हिसाब से. So make sure it's flexible and it's like adjustable, so that तुम इस पे rigid ना हो जाओ, because that might lead to a burnout as well. So yeah, now let us start studying. So girl, I started this chapter, but like रात को I lost motivation of doing it. So I have done till necessities, and I've done this part also, but I just want to revise it again because I'm not sure if I did it properly. So yeah, so we're going to start बीच में से, क्योंकि हम थोड़ा सा already कर So it was a relief कि I did not have to do everything from scratch. And if you're wondering background में क्या चल रहा है, it is a study subliminal, and I'll not elaborate too much on that right now. So basically, I was reading the chapter, I was recalling it, and I was making my notes. As you can see, I have a loose paper side में. उस पे I am making like my last minute revision notes, जिनको मैं अपनी बस में revise करती हूँ जाने से पहले. And I was done with the chapter, so I checked it off my to-do list. This is literally my favorite part of studying. Anyways, अब मेरे को 11:40 हो गए थे पढ़ते पढ़ते. Next मुझे gender, religion and caste के PYQs practice करने थे, तो मुझे वेबसाइट मिला जहाँ पे I found this really great PDF to practice PYQs literally for free. So मैंने इसलिए यहीं से practice करने start कर दिए PYQs. Also guys, you should pay more attention to question practice instead of like just learning the theory, because when you write down the questions, when you practice them, तुम्हें exam में भी question लिखना आएगा and your presentation will improve. Okay guys, तो मैंने उस PDF के सारे questions practice कर लिए, and उसके बाद मेरे को एक चीज पता चली कि I am getting very confused between 2 topics. तो ये हमें नहीं करना है. मुझे क्वेश्चंस लाइक सॉल्व करने के बाद ये आइडिया लग गया कि इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में कौन सा इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है, बिकॉज आई वॉज गेटिंग कंफ्यूज बिटवीन वॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन आई नीड टू राइट. एंड आई एम सुपर ग्लैड मैंने इस चैप्टर के PYQs प्रैक्टिस कर लिए, बिकॉज इफ आई डिड नॉट डू दैट आई वुड हैव 110% डन दिस इन माई एग्जाम एंड आई वुड हैव लॉस्ट लाइक फुल 4-5 मार्क्स डायरेक्टली फॉर राइटिंग लाइक किसी और टॉपिक का इन्फॉर्मेशन इन द आंसर. Like I was getting confused between caste and religion वाला चीज. So yes, and PYQs करने के बाद I also got to know what topics I need to revise. So I'm not revising the entire chapter. Instead, we're just revising those particular topics. So let's do that. And this is how you should also revise for your exams. Even like अगर तुम board exams के लिए revise करो, you should follow this same ritual, because this way you'll save your time and you won't have to revise entire chapters like again and again. Instead, you can just revise the topics which you do not know. So I was studying continuously 11 बजे से and अभी फिलहाल 1:30 हो रहा है. So I've been studying since 12, 1:30, yeah, 2.5 hours. Now let us take a break. I will also watch Netflix. So I was eating this chocolate क्योंकि भूख लग रही थी. And उसके बाद I started studying again. If you've noticed, मैं आज civics कर रही हूँ. That is because बाकी के topics मैं कर चुकी हूँ and ये वाले topics मैंने अभी तक एक भी बार revise नहीं किया अपने exam से पहले. Also guys, I will tell you मेरे pre-boards के results जब वो आ जाएंगे. So yeah, stay tuned for that and do subscribe if you haven't already. So I was revising this chapter in the same way. Like मैं सब chapters को SST के इसी में मैं रिवाइज करती हूँ. आई रीड इट फर्स्ट इन माई हेड, आई रीड इट आउट लाउड, आई रीड विदाउट लुकिंग इन द बुक एंड देन आई राइट डाउन द कीवर्ड्स in my register. That way I learn the topic instantly. Anyways, then I checked that off as well and I was done with dono chapters. Now I need to do power sharing and federalism. Also, I just realized that I might need to take like my lunch break beach mein, but I need to complete 3 chapters by 3 p.m. and abhi filhal it's almost 1 p.m. So we have 2 hours to do 3 chapters, which is kind of less. But I hope ये power sharing and federalism फटाफट 1 घंटे में complete हो जाए, because after that I think I'll be able to complete the rest of it quickly. So now I'll be doing power sharing and federalism together because they're similar chapters and it's important to group similar chapters together because that will save your time. So yeah, and ये मेरे को सबसे easy chapter लगता है, like पूरी SST के सबसे ज़्यादा easy और सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे chapters है ये. So yes, I hope हम ये फटाफट कर सकें. So let us start. So yeah, now I'm doing power sharing and federalism, and grouping together similar chapters is actually really helpful. Like suppose you're doing geography ke chapters, try to do the smaller chapters together or try to pair a big and a small chapter together to avoid burnout, however it feels like better to you. Now I'm done with the first chapter. अब second chapter करना है. First chapter मैंने half an hour में कर लिया था. Anyways, now I was doing the other chapter and अब मुझे धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा boredom होने लगा था इसी same process से. So I was thinking कि after this I will take a little break because I've been studying for a while. And जैसे ही मैं ये सोच रही थी मेरा खाना आ गया. So अब मुझे लंच करना पड़ेगा. So I'll have to take a little lunch break even though I don't want to. खाना खाने के बाद I had to start studying again. मेरी to do list में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं कि if I don't study like continuously and if I like take long breaks, I will not be able to complete everything and then I will be overburdened tomorrow, which I do not want. But setting deadlines in your to-do list is definitely a good approach because it is really helping me study. क्योंकि not meeting a deadline is like not a good thing at all. Then I completed these chapters as well and I checked it off my to-do list. Here are the PYQs that I'll be practicing. Now I'm practicing PYQs from a different website. पुरानी वाली वेबसाइट पे लिटरली उस साल के सारे सेट्स के क्वेश्चंस थे जिनको करने में बहुत थक जाती थी. So I just went to this website because it had like selected questions. तो इसलिए वो मुझसे फटाफट हो गए. So मैंने अभी जितने भी क्वेश्चंस देखे मुझसे उनमें से कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. So हम पूरा चैप्टर वापस से कर रहे हैं. मैंने इस चैप्टर को लाइक 3 दिन पहले किया था. I don't know why I'm so blank when it comes to this, but yeah, I need to do all of it again. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it's not that big of a chapter. It's like as big as federalism and it took me like 45ish minutes to do federalism. So yeah, let's do this chapter from scratch. I hate this. I am so annoyed कि I'm so blank in this chapter. वैसे इसमें जो मैंने PYQs में देखा उसमें maximum 5 markers थे. So I think इस chapter से ज़्यादा 5 markers आते हैं. So हम उसी like POV से करेंगे. Like I will सी मटेरियल को देख के कि इसमें से क्या क्या 5 मार्क्स फ्रेम हो सकते हैं एंड उनके आंसर्स आई मार्क इन द बुक सो दैट आई कैन लर्न देम इन पॉइंटर्स ओनली. सो यस, लेट्स डू दैट. एनीवेज, तो जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया उसी के बेसिस पे अब मैं रिवीजन कर रही हूँ अपना. नाउ सी, दिस टाइम आई एम टेकिंग अ न्यू अप्रोच. आई एम नॉट डायरेक्टली रीडिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं उस टॉपिक के बारे में जो भी जानती हूँ आई एम लाइक रिकॉलिंग दैट इन माई हेड एंड आफ्टर रिकॉलिंग आई एम रीडिंग. So I am following a different approach this time because I have already done this chapter recently. So I feel like reading the entire thing again is just does not make any sense. So yeah, I feel like this helped me better, and you should try out this method also. It's like ulta of what I used to do. So I was trying to do this chapter, but मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. I think मेरा motivation खत्म हो गया or something. But I am not able to do this chapter. So this is what I'm thinking. Right now, let's just skip it. Let's move on to the next tasks. Instead of wasting my time on this, I'll do बाकी की चीजें क्योंकि I feel like I can do geography right now. I love geography सबसे ज़्यादा. Not geography. Oh my god, I hate geography. I love history सबसे ज़्यादा. So we're doing history. I mean, मुझे जियो का भी पेंडिंग स्टफ करना है. वेट, लेट मी शो यू माई टू डू लिस्ट. हाँ, तो मुझे जियो का भी पेंडिंग स्टफ करना है, बट आई वॉन्ट टू डू हिस्ट्री राइट नाउ. सो आई सजेस्ट आई डू दिस पहले, देन आई डू जियो, देन आई डू यूरोप वाला. This way, I'll not be burnt out. I will technically do different topics like alternatively, so I'll also not get bored. And yeah, also I think मेरे घर पे guests आ रहे हैं, so I hope I'm still able to study. So yeah, let us start studying now. तो मेरे को इस चैप्टर में सिर्फ कलेक्टिव बिलोंगिंग वाला पार्ट करना है क्योंकि मैंने बाकी पूरा चैप्टर कुछ दिनों पहले रिवाइज किया था. So yes, now let us do this topic. I left this topic क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब बेकार लगता है मुझे, पर सिर्फ 2 पेजेस करने हैं, so I think हो जाएगा फटाफट. Honestly, doing this part was so nice क्योंकि I could check something off my to-do list without a lot of hard work. Like how good does that feel? मेरे को बस 2-3 पेजेस फटाफट रिवाइज करने थे जो हो भी गए थे रिवाइज, and I learned this in pointers because इसका जनरली 5 मार्क का एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि कलेक्टिव आइडेंटिटी कैसे बिल्ड हुआ था इंडिया में. So that is why I learned it in 5 pointers and I practiced by writing down those 5 pointers in brief, and yeah, after that I was done. Then I checked it off my to-do list as well. This is the portion in Geo which I need to do right now. Like when I was practicing, मैंने कुछ चीजें छोड़ दी थी जो मुझे लगा था कि अभी कोई फायदा नहीं है करने का. So yeah, we need to revise it now. जब मैंने जियो करना स्टार्ट किया था तब तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन आ रहा था क्योंकि जो पहले के कुछ चैप्टर्स है वो उतने डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. तो आई वाज लाइक ओके, जियो तो फटाफट हो जाएगा, मैं तो अभी कर लूँगी 2 मिनट में. बट yeah, after I was done with the first few topics, so motivation धीरे धीरे like नीचे जाने लगा. And when I reached to agriculture, I was like, can I just skip these topics? Because I had just given up on geography. I seriously hate geography. I don't know तुम लोग geography कैसे करते हो, and like let me know in the comments how you do geography because I just cannot do geography. Then I ate a pizza क्योंकि मुझे भूख लग रही थी. So I am done with these 2 topics. अभी nationalism in Europe करना है. And see, it will take me 1 hour to complete nationalism in Europe क्योंकि मुझे like unifications तो करने नहीं है. I already know सारी unifications. उसके अलावा थोड़ा बहुत टॉपिक है जो मुझे करना है. Mostly I already know it. I just need to recap it. And romanticism वाला करना है. You would only understand what I'm saying if you're in 10th, but yes. And उसके बाद we can complete outcomes of democracy. So I think it will work out. Now let us start studying. So आगे का पढ़ने के लिए I came to the library and I was with 2 of my friends, Sanvi and Ananya. And see, Sanvi was going back to college, so we just thought we should spend time together. But सबके exams थे, so we could not really hang out and do nothing. So we all thought we should study. So yeah, that is why we came to the library to study. But मतलब बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई तो हो नहीं ही रही थी. We talked for most of the time. After doing half of the chapter, I started crashing out because I was tired by studying पूरा दिन. Yeah. देखो, याद तो मुझे कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. So I thought instead of wasting my time, I should just practice a previous year paper.
Hi, I'm here and I'm giving Ashika emotional support.
She was doing her project.
Anyways, no one needs to see that. If my math teacher is watching this, no, you're not.
Okay.
There are some weird people in this library. We're just gonna ignore. But yeah, Ashika's been crashing out over SST. So
I just broke a pen. Like I actually threw my pen. Ow! I threw my pen and it like broke, and then I spilled. And then I tried to spill some of it on Ananya. It broke. It broke.
Deserved. Not deserved. I hope you do.
Then
well by
Ananya
the end of
gave
the
me
year.
her pen, so.
Yeah, exactly. And guys, look at what Ashika did when she was breaking her pen. She injured me deeply.
इसके बाद मैं मम्मा के साथ वॉक करने आ गई. द वेदर वाज रियली नाइस एंड यार बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो गई है यहाँ पे. एनीवेज गाइस, यू हैव मेड इट दिस फार इन द वीडियो, सो सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. आई लव यू ऑलवेज. दैट वाज इट फॉर दिस वन एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ यू एंजॉयड इट एंड इफ इट हेल्प यू आउट थोड़ा बहुत भी. आई रियली होप इट मोटिवेटेड यू टू स्टडी फॉर योर प्री बोर्ड्स. एंड अभी फिलहाल मेरे प्री बोर्ड्स तो चल रहे हैं, सो प्रे करना मेरे प्री बोर्ड्स अच्छे जाए. ओके, लव यू ऑलवेज. बाय बाय.